Hey guys, I'm Boot. We're in New Jersey, and today we are back with another Red Dead Redemption 2, Episode 5. Last time we went hunting, and I really sucked at it, so let's see what we're going to do today.
It's been a bad few weeks, but Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams. Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You still here then?
Oh, yeah.
And you'll
Holy crap,
pay me.
it's Daryl Dixon.
For the moment, just rest.
Arthur, I think it's time for the train. Want me to come? Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. What's left of me? What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man,
Wow.
John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking, we could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea, we're living. Look at me. We're living, even you. But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
Most pretentious son of a bitch there
Railway
is.
Magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob. All right, we're moving out. Follow me.
Okay. Compendium updated white-tailed deer. Okay.
Okay, gentlemen, listen up, all of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscolls, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're gonna pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies. There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way?
I'll be fine.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan.
Great.
Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough! After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep.
Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Good. Now come on. Let's ride. But we need to get this done fast. Now it's thawing, before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy
Okay.
to be back at it, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp.
Oops.
That goes for all of you.
That didn't work out the way I wanted it to.
Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect. Then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back. When I say we go back, and that's the end of it. Money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right, there'll be a stack of railroad bonds on this train. Good money, once we work out how to cash them. Now everyone, shut up and get your mind on the job at hand. Come on. There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge. Whoa. Is Bill there?
Yeah,
You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
okay.
Yeah.
How you getting on?
Yeah. I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Easy enough.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
All right, boy.
All of you, no mistakes.
What's going on? He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay?
I think so.
Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now.
Okay, so I gotta go for the back car.
Gentlemen,
It's where this Leviticus
This time-
Cornwall guy is.
good luck. All of you. You all know what to do.
Blow it.
Here we go. Shit! No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Where did you find that?
Morgan said it was fine.
My fault. Come on! You're pathetic. You know that? I got you. Now stop yelling.
Arthur, help me!
Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
Let's go!
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him?
Yeah, you take the lead, bud.
Cover me.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take the lead. Stab this motherfucker.
I'll blow your face off.
Dude, come on. I'm hiding.
We moving up?
Dude, what the... How did I fell off the train? That's what happened. Crapola. Okay, let's retry the checkpoint.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him? Arthur, who's going? Okay, I'll just get it. Hey!
Come on. There you go.
Come on, let's get to the front.
Here we go. There's three.
Dang it, we being robbed.
He did.
Yeah, I'm good.
Let's go to the pistol.
Let's keep moving. Once I start, I won't stop.
Why did I just jump off the train? Yeah, you know what? I think that's about where we're going to end it for today. I'm going to come back when I have some more stamina to get through this mission. Anyways, that's about it for today. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.